In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your shared links on Grok AI. If you've ever shared a conversation or resource from Grok and want to review what's out there, copy a link again or turn one off. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to look and how to take control of it. Start by opening your browser and searching for Grok AI. This is the fastest way to get to the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. In the results, look for the official Grok website. Double check the URL before you click so you know you're heading to the real platform and not a lookalike. Go ahead and click through to open Grok. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're signed into the account where you originally created or shared items. Your shared links are tied to your account, so if you're not logged in, you won't see them. If you use multiple accounts, confirm you're on the correct one to avoid confusion. From the main Grok interface, move to the bottom left corner of the screen and select the profile icon. This opens your account area with settings and controls related to your data. If you're on a smaller screen, you may need to expand the sidebar or open the menu first. Once you can see the account section, the profile icon will be there. In the account panel, choose data controls. Think of this as your privacy and content hub. It's where Grok groups items related to what you've shared and how your data is handled. Clicking data controls takes you to a dedicated page focused on your content and sharing settings. On this page, look for the shared links section. This is where Grok lists the links you've created and shared from your account. You'll see each shared item grouped clearly, typically with enough detail to recognize what it is at a glance. Take a moment to scan the list so you can identify the link you're interested in. If you don't see something you expect, verify you're on the right account and refresh the page. When you find the item you want to act on, click Manage. This opens the controls for that specific link. Here, you can review the link details and take action as needed, such as copying the link again for easy sharing or revoking it if you no longer want it to be accessible. Revoking a link is a quick way to stop access without touching the original content. When you're done, back out to the shared links list to review others. That's it. By using the profile icon, data controls, and the shared links manager, you can quickly find and control everything you've shared from Grok in one place.